Do you know who is this famous individual? Yup, he is Owen Neistat is an American YouTube personality, filmmaker, and vlogger. Casey is one of my favorite content creators. In this video, we will look at CaseyNeistat YouTube channel and see how much money he is making. So how does he get paid as a YouTuber? YouTube channels make money from advertisements that you see very often when you watch YouTube videos. The first step a content creator needs to take is to join the YouTube Partner Program. This enables their videos to start generating income from displaying advertisements. How much do YouTubers get paid? This depends on the number of views. The more views a video receives, the more money it makes. The second factor is the CPM. CPM is the cost an advertiser needs to pay on YouTube for every 1,000 times their ads are displayed. Lastly, there is RPM. RPM is basically the net profit YouTubers make per 1,000 views. It is ranging from 50 cents to $5 per 1,000 views. CPM is what the advertisers pay, and RPM is what the YouTubers take home. This metric varies from channel to channel. For instance, a vlogging channel will not make as much as a finance channel for every 1,000 views. Viewer country also plays a big factor. Channels that receive views from countries such as the USA and Canada tend to make more money per 1,000 views. Now let's go over CaseyNeistat channel. Analytics as per this time of recording. Total videos: 1,084. Total subscribers: 12,500,000. Total video views: 3,091,815,821. Estimated ad revenue for the channel lifetime earning is over $3,710,178. Assuming if the average CPM is around $2.40 and RPM or net earning at $1.20 per 1,000 views. The $3,710,178 is CaseyNeistat lifetime earnings since the channel was created. Now as for his monthly earning, according to Social Blade website, it is around $5,100 to $81,100 per month. And CaseyNeistat's most viewed video, the $21,000 first-class airplane seat, is probably making over $117,800. This calculation is just the rough estimate of CaseyNeistat YouTube earnings alone. There are other ways to monetize YouTube content. This can include brand sponsorships, fan funding, merchandise sales, and affiliate marketing. Which means, CaseyNeistat might have made more money than what we anticipated. Send this video to someone who would be interested to watch it, and let me know in the comments which channel you want me to do next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.